Match number 33. It is one of the most awaited rivalry of the two of the greatest franchises of the IPL from the last 19 years, the El Clasico of IPL. It is mighty Mumbai versus the charming Chennai. These are the two teams currently struggling in this year. MI won one match from its last five match and CSK won two from its last five match, 4 points each on the points table. This is the fortress of Mumbai, building by bricks and bricks and bricks by Captain Rohit Sharma. Both of the founders of this rivalry, Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Rohit Sharma, are not playing today's match of this El Clasico for the first time ever in Tata IPL history from 19 years due to injury. MI won the toss and will chase the target. This here CSK is quite good in defending and MI give them a chance here. Samson and Ruturaj Gaikwad to open in one KD to face the goated Indian bowler Jasprit Bumrah. Slow start initially by Sanju just started to building an innings and Ritu strikes Hardik from the early stage itself. Quite good run rate from Chennai Super Kings. Ghaznfar taken Ruturaj as he hits up in a Tilak's hand, gone at 22 off 14. A quite good innings from but no longer innings. Sarfraz Khan has 3 because Ayush Matre has ruled out of the IPL currently due to an injury. Sanju turning the innings and strike rate upwards from now on. Sarfraz gone at 14 of 8, bowled by Mitchell Santner. To become but no longer survive. Gone at 5 of 8, no form for Dubey currently after T20 World Cup. Bravis started his innings with plenty of good shots and a good strike rate, but no longer survive in the pitch of the Wankhede departs as 21 of 11. Mitchell Santner have some injury, he returned back to the pavilion. Karthik Sharma played a bit slow innings, but with 2 sixes and giving maximum strikes to Sanju and Sanju turning the game toward to a decent score. Jasprit Bumrah gets a young boy Karthik in the hands of Santner. Overton couldn't finish well and gone. Akil next. Krish comes with the last over. Hardik should have to come as he has more experience than the new young bowler. He is the captain. He should take the responsibility of the last over. He didn't come because his economy reached quite high up to this time. Sanju started with a 6 to him and reaches to a 91 with 10 more runs via boundary. Sanju registered his second century for IPL 2026 as well as CSK, both in just 7th innings. That's how CSK finishes at 207. Mumbai Indians to chase 208 in just 120 ball. Run rate record is 10.4 per over. QDK and Malivar, a young boy, opens the second inning. Akil Hussain sent Malivar on a golden duck with a relatively slow ball, bowled with an arm ball. Naman Dheer also gone for a duck by Hussain, second one for him. QDK gone by Mukesh Chaudhary at 7 of 10. Early top order fails of Mumbai Indians. Their innings is डगमगा गई है. Surya and Tilak in the power play. 27 only runs, lowest ever for Mumbai Indians in the power play. Slow innings turning the match towards CSK from the middle order of MI. Tilak another for Akil Hussain at 37 of 29. Third wicket in the pocket. Celebration by him. Hardik gone for 1 of 2. Rutherford gone for a golden duck. Back to back wickets for Noor Ahmed. The Wankhede's pitch is more likely be suitable for the fast bowlers from the very much time. But today, spinners of CSK combinedly taken 6 wickets, 4 for Akil and 2 for Noor Ahmed, and both a classic celebration of eye closing by the hands. What a coldest celebration, one of the most coldest celebration of Tata IPL. Surya gone by Akil Hussain, fourth one for him. A classic spell from Akil Hussain, 4 taken of just 17 run given. Shardul, Bhagat, Ashwini and Bumrah just hold it. a bat only for formality. Worst loss ever for Mumbai Indians. Lose by 103 runs. Once upon a time, Mumbai used to dominate of the CSK everywhere. In the Wankhede, Mumbai will never lose under Rohit Sharma captaincy. Sometimes it may lose. अगर मुंबई वानखेड़े का मैच इस तरीके से हारती है तो चेपॉक तो सीएसके का होम ग्राउंड है, वहाँ पे वो मुंबई पे डोमिनेट करते आ रहे हैं बहुत 2-3 सालों से, तो चेपॉक में तो मोर लाइकली सीएसके ही मैच जीतेगा। हार्दिक की कैप्टनसी में थोड़ा दिखा है हमको कि लास्ट ओवर भी वो लेके नहीं आए, उसके बाद उनका एक्सपीरियंस भी नहीं दिखा, रोहित शर्मा भी नहीं खेल रहे थे, वो एक वन ऑफ द मेजर फैक्टर है हारने का। रोहित के आंखों में कुछ आंसू दिखे, उनकी टीम हार गई है। तो धोनी कब आएंगे? धोनी मेरे को लगता है भी एक आध मैच और भी मिस कर सकते हैं। अब तो मेरे को लग रहा है कि बस प्रैक्टिस वीडियो में ग्लिम्स दिखा देते हैं ताकि टिकट बिक जाए। इस जीत से सीएसके को बहुत अच्छा मोमेंटम मिलेगा। 6 पॉइंट पे रीच कर गए हैं, अब वो टॉप 5 में आ गए हैं इस टाइम पे पॉइंट्स टेबल के। एनआरआर माइनस से डायरेक्ट पॉजिटिव में आ गया है। तो इस मोमेंटम को अगर सीएसके कायम रखेगी तो अगला मैच जीटी के साथ भी जीत सकती है। अगर आरसीबी ने जीटी को हरा दिया तो जीटी का मोमेंटम लूज़ हो जाएगा और हमने उसको हरा दिया तो हम टॉप में आ जाएंगे। उसके बाद एमआई से फिर एक और मैच है हमारा चेपॉक में। वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करना, चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर लेना। अच्छी नहीं लगी हो तो कमेंट कर देना क्या सुधारूं, डिसलाइक भी कर सकते हो।